Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I have a treat for you. Let's make some spicy jasmine vegetable rice. Spicy vegetable jasmine rice. I got this jasmine rice from Dollar Tree for $1. And it is 1 pound, and it's gluten-free right there. Okay, all right, so I already have the rice. It's been cooking in the rice cooker. It should be ready momentarily. Okay, so you go ahead and put your rice in the rice cooker and catch up with me. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video on that on my channel. Okay, so let's get started. I forgot to tell you, thumbs up. Let's do the thumbs up. Okay, I already have some olive oil in the frying pan. See, way down there, that little bit. So, if you've been, if you've been following along with me, you know that I add olive oil only as needed, okay? Okay, so let's start out. I'm going to put some, let me adjust my flame. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So I have here, let me introduce you to the items. Red sweet pepper, cut up. That doesn't go with that. I have some scallions. Scallions is in the onion family. And it looks something like this. Okay? Scallions. I have 1 head of broccoli cut up. 2 corn that I cut off the cob. I used 2 corn on the cobs and made this corn, and I cooked it in the microwave for 5 minutes. I have these cute mushrooms. So cute. Look at that. And they are white beech mushrooms is what it's called. White beech mushrooms. Let me show you the package. Okay. Okay, so we're also going to be adding some garlic and some bean sprouts. Okay. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to add the red peppers, the scallions, the broccoli. Okay, I'm going to put a little more oil on the top. You see, just a drizzle. I'm going to put the cover on that, and I'm going to let that cook for about maybe 3 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay. Our broccoli, onions, and peppers has been cooking for about maybe 3 minutes, give or take. Now I want to add the mushrooms and corn. I'm going to add some oil on the top. Now let's throw in some seasoning. Cayenne pepper. This is going to make it spicy. Now if you don't like spicy, you use regular pepper. Onion powder. And I'm going to use some celery salt. And you know when you need to add oil because the vegetables won't move as easily. Okay. Okay, I'm going to give that 1 minute while I get out the jasmine rice and bring it in front of you. Okay, now I'm going to add some garlic. That's about a half of a teaspoon. I think that'll do it. Okay, the camera is not right. Okay, that's better. Okay, now I'm going to add the jasmine rice right out the rice cooker. Oh, look at it, nice and fluffy. Perfect. And I'm going to add the bean sprouts. Okay, let me get Okay, I'm going to add a little soy sauce right over the rice and the bean sprouts. Oh, guys, look at this. More oil. Soy sauce. gonna taste and see what I'm missing. I'm missing cayenne pepper. My flavor is not up there, so I'm going to add some garlic, more garlic. So that equals out to 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. More celery salt. Okay, let's see, can't we improve that? Get a clean fork. Yes. Oh yes. We're there, guys. Awesome taste. Awesome. Now this was 2 cups of jasmine rice that I cooked in that rice cooker. On my channel I have a rice cooker. It's called Aroma. If you go look that up, you'll see how I cook rice in it, and you can follow suit if you like. Okay, let me plate this up. Okay, there we go. How about that? You like that? Spicy jasmine vegetable rice. Ooh, let me show you another view. Look at that. How about that, huh? Okay, let me taste. Here we go. Wow, superb. I can eat me a whole bowl right now. Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thanks for hanging around. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.